Is your business not growing as fast as you want? Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you a major reason why that might be happening. Hey, it's Harv Eker, and today I'm talking about a really common issue and problem that I see many of our students run into before they come to us and get our mentoring and coaching. And today I want to make sure that you're not making this costly mistake and that you're thinking about where you're going so that you can actually grow your business. So there's a really important wealth term or wealth file I learned from the great Harv Eker, and it's a wealth principle that I think is really important for you to either remember, confirm, or learn for the first time, okay? So the wealth principle is, he talks about broke people and poor people think short term, rich people think long term. So when we're in our business and we are, let's just say doing, I would probably say under $15,000 a month. Now, this is just a blank statement. It could be more, it could be less, but when we are at that level, one of the biggest things that's going to happen is when you're, entrepreneur, like you're in charge of your own income, your goal is to make more money, right? And so what you end up doing is you do whatever you can to make more money, right? And so short term, you're trying to make more money, great. But once you start to have success, you're starting to do things in a random or sporadic way. And so I was talking to one of my students who's an amazing student of mine. She's killing it. She's around the $20,000 a month, and she was approached to do this one-off job, but like make some really good money, about $5,000 from it. And so I talked to her and I said, listen, here's the deal. You could go and take that if you need the cash, right? You could. But what I'm gonna say is you spending your time, energy, and effort on creating this one-time opportunity will give you a result of cash short term, but long term will take you away from the overall vision of you growing your business. And the reason why you may not be growing the business as fast as you want, or to the $1 million mark, because that's where she's after, as quickly as you want, is because you're deviating away from your business model. See, what ends up happening is most people, again, will look for income. And I get it, for sure, you want to increase your revenue. But the way that you increase your revenue is by creating systems, a marketing system, a sales system, and a fulfillment system, and you repeat that over and over and over again. When you start to do too much on the marketing side and have too many different sales on the sales side and too many different fulfillment sides, your business becomes complicated. It becomes very challenging to grow. And so your goal is to create systemized processes that are repeatable in each of those categories so that you can start to build teams around those so that they can actually grow them. Well, it's really hard for you to build a team on the fulfillment side if you're randomly doing all of this stuff. It's really hard for you to get consistency on the sales side if you're selling a bunch of different things. It's really hard for you to market if you're marketing to all these different people. And so that's why we need to use the power of choice of this is our marketing system, this is our sales system, and this is our fulfillment system, right? And we do that so that we get to a certain level and create a certain process so that we can grow our business off of it. Now, on the fulfillment side, can you create more product? Can you create different fulfillments? Yes, as long as you're gonna use it on a repeatable basis, and as long as this is really important, serves your current customer, right? Now, if you're gonna serve a different market, a different customer, that's a different strategy that you can definitely use. Like, let's say you're doing something in English and you wanna do something in Spanish and you're scaling that way, totally fine, but your fulfillment is still the same. It's just a different market that you're going after, right? But the processes are still the same. So you can change stuff as long as you're not changing everything. So if you're changing something on the fulfillment side, well, it's gotta be the same customer. If you're changing something on the marketing side, it's gotta be the same sales and fulfillment process. So look at your business. Are you going right after the money? Are you going after the income? Are you doing whatever you can? Or are you thinking long-term like the rich do? Are you thinking about marketing systems, sales systems, and fulfillment systems? I wanna hear what you're thinking and what your biggest takeaway was from today. I appreciate your time watching this video. I appreciate appreciate your attention being here. And if you're interested in creating a marketing and sales system that's combined, I have the perfect opportunity for you. In my Facebook group, every single 8 weeks, I run something called the Scale Your Sales Intensive. This is an event to show you how you can create a front-end marketing and sales system using virtual events. Yes, virtual events. It's my favorite way to create a front-end marketing system and sales system that can take you, who's an expert or coach, from one-to-one to one-to-many, showcase your experience, showcase your expertise, and give people results in advance and an amazing experience so that they can decide to work with you or not. I want to invite you to my next Scale Your Sales Intensive. The link is below this video, and you can go ahead and find it and register for free. So I hope to see you there, and I really would love to hear what you thought about this video this week. Thanks so much for being here, and I will talk to you next week. Bye for now.